As of today, we're going back in time to uncover what really happened in our universe. The two observatories, one in the US and another in Italy, suddenly caught something strange as space-time itself began to ripple. At first, scientists thought it was just another black hole collision, two massive cosmic beasts smashing together somewhere billions of light years away. But when they looked deeper into the data, it didn't quite behave the way it was supposed to. Normally, when two black holes move closer and closer, they spin around each other, speeding up before they finally collide. As they do this, they send out ripples in space called gravitational waves. These waves usually grow stronger and faster, almost like a rising chirp sound that scientists can visualize in their data. But in this case, that gentle buildup was missing. Instead of hearing a full tune, scientists only caught a sudden, loud burst, short, sharp, and completely unexpected. As astronomers initially proposed that the event came from an unusual black hole encounter, perhaps two enormous black holes catching each other by chance. But a team at the Chinese Academy of Sciences suggested something even wilder. They proposed that the burst might be an echo from another universe. According to their model, two black holes in a parallel universe collided and briefly created a wormhole, a bridge in space-time connecting their universe to ours. The scientists suggested that this wormhole was like a short tunnel linking both universes, but it didn't stay open for long. It collapsed almost instantly. Just before it closed, it may have sent a tiny echo, a quick wave of energy through that tunnel, and that echo could have reached our universe. Instruments like LIGO and Virgo might have picked up that faint signal. Now, LIGO and Virgo are giant scientific instruments that listen to the universe, not with sound, but by detecting gravitational waves. Later, the researchers created a computer simulation to see what an echo from a wormhole would look like. When they compared it with the real data from 2019, the two looked almost the same. In simple words, they think that what we heard might not have been two black holes colliding in our universe, but rather the faint aftershock of two black holes colliding in another universe through a brief tunnel that linked both universes for a split second. To make it clearer, our Earth, solar system, the Milky Way galaxy, and everything we know exist within this universe. But what these scientists are suggesting is that there could be another universe, possibly similar to ours, or even bigger. Maybe that universe exists above or below ours, as if we're level 1, and it's level 2. What's more frightening is that we have no idea where it is, how it is, or what it's made of. The information we have about this other universe is almost nothing.